How to change FPS in Rise of Kingdoms. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily adjust the FPS or frame per second in Rise of Kingdoms game to improve performance or save battery. Launch open the Rise of Kingdoms game first and make sure that you're inside your city map. After you are in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now this will open up the Governor profile section where you'll need to tap on Settings at the bottom right. Inside the Settings menu, click on General Settings. After you open up the General Settings tab, go ahead and scroll down and look for this frame rate option. Tap on the toggle button right next to frame rate and then choose your desired FPS. If you choose the 30 FPS option, it means it saves battery and causes less stress on your device. You can also choose other FPS option. If you select 60, then this will give you smoother animations, higher battery uses. Similarly, you can also select the 90 or 120 FPS according to your preferences. Some devices will automatically adjust FPS based on performance. Some older devices may not support 60 FPS, so in that case, the option might be grayed out. So that is how you will be able to select your FPS or change FPS on your Rise of Kingdoms game, whether you are using your Android or iOS device. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.